Okay, welcome again to our Ansible series, and we're going to create our Ansible project. And our project is our y- we're going to create a website. Okay, that's simple is. So we're going to utilize our Ansible, what we create there, and then we're going to use Hugo here. So if you're not uh, familiar with the Hugo, it's very super cool. And Hugo is a site generating website, and as you can see here, I also use Obsidian as my editor here, and you can check here what's here in the content right now. So I'm going to show you that it will also show here what's the content, what's the pages here inside sa page pa natin, okay? We're going to use our editor, Obsidian, and then it will also uh, transfer to our Hugo. Okay, all the content of the Obsidian, it will also transfer to our Hugo website content. Okay, and for us to start, this is how it look like my playbook right now. So actually, I already uh, run on it and test on it, and it did work right now. And for us to before we going to proceed that, you can also first create your uh, Hugo server, okay? And we're going to go back here, okay? And I'll show you how also to create images, how to upload the images, and format properly our markup for our image. Okay, because there's a script here na I didn't include sa ating playbook, but it's very useful then that we need to do something here because I noticed that whenever I upload it, it didn't show up. So that's why I created a script for us to correct this markup. Okay, this is the how the playbook look like, and then we have the same goes sa ating mga ginagawa for the other lessons that natin. We use the folder, we created folder, and then we use, we create a host file here, and then we're going to make it only in our local host because this is my laptop, so this is the local host where I created my content, and then we are going to utilize the Python here for us to run the Ansible. Okay, so this is the blog update YAML, and you see we have local hosts here, and then connections is local. And for us to understand here, so before here it will create the task, update, build, static, and push to GitHub. Okay, we're going to use the GitHub here as our host. So sa main campo natin, sa update po natin, we're going to use a shell here or terminal. And we're going to use the command rsync. Okay, if you're not familiar with rsync, so this a command where it can transfer the file. So I'll show you guys something here sa setup ng ating Obsidian because Obsidian I put default file here sa content natin. Okay, lahat ng mga content po natin na .md will transfer here sa home Galboleo IT Learn TV content. Okay, dito po naka-install yung ating Hugo. Okay, so I'll show you here dito ngayon na naka-open yung workspace po natin. So yung Ansible Linux page na folder na nanggaling din po yan sa Obsidian natin. Okay, even yung index po natin. Okay, uh, We also upload any images kung meron po tayong in-attach sa ating MD natin na files. Okay? Nandito lang din siya sa loob ng ating setup ng ating Obsidian where they put it, and it will also transfer in a static and then images folder. And then I created a script here, like I said to you guys, a script na it will also correct the markup of the images, because if I'm not going to put something here, script, it will create us a broken link here. Hindi niya ma-read yung ating images here. So very simple lang yung script, but we need to, I'll show you this and I'll share it to you guys how the script look like. It's made by Python, I mean. So ito po yung mga kon natin. So yung sample MD, uh, file name po natin. So I'll show you how it work. Again, guys, sa sample po rin. I'm going to make it sample here. Sasamplein po natin. For example, right now, uh, okay. Okay, before we go to our example, we're going to finish it muna. We're going to finish it. Here sa ating building a static, we use only the Hugo to generate all. Okay, if you are finished with our what we are going to have a look in our web page, so we're going to generate it. Okay, and then we're going to push in our GitHub. Okay, and going to GitHub, you need to have permissions for us to upload here. You know that how it works. uh Very simple lang. I will show you. uh this is the blog that I uploaded to my personal account. You can also check that the file. So what I like to want you to look, guys, this developer setting. Okay, yan yung personal token. Okay, if we don't have this personal token na i-set up po natin sa ating system, we can never upload it. So the task na meron po tayo sa ating playbook, it will not run. Okay, if it, if we didn't set up properly. Okay, so yun lang, guys. So I think you're understand already what's the flow of the automated website blog, no, by using Obsidian for editor, and the same time we transfer it to our Hugo server. Okay, so we're going to create a sample, guys, to you guys. Okay. So ito yung gagawin natin. So since I add already super cool, I put another word super cool for us to check to see if this uh, script or playbook is running well. So I'll find a dummy website, a dummy images here. Okay, and then probably this one. I'll drag it in my Obsidian. Okay, and save it. And we're going to run a command. Very simple. So if you already saw my previous uh, tutorial, so Ansible only playbook, inventory, and then the host, we're going to the target, and then the blog update YAML. Okay, and I'll go to enter. Okay, okay, change, and it already upload to our GitHub account. Let's check on it. Action. Then you see, it already updated. It up deploying it, and since already, you can see it's already have an image here. So there's no changes here, but we didn't see anything change here because no super, right? Okay, dapat meron siyang super. You need to refresh guys because meron po yung mga cache yan. There's a lot, it's made by caching for us to reflect this kind of, para makita natin yung ating changes here. Okay, so it's, uh, it's successful. So, very kampo guys, di ba? Very simple lang po how to create a website by using Obsidian as an editor, and then Hugo for our website, and then we also utilize our GitHub as our host here. So, and I hope this project will help you guys in your future project, and I'll see you around, guys.